What have you got in your hands? Have you hurt yourself?
It's a top.
Oh.
Whoa. Stop, okay. Can I intro it?
Yeah.
Do you want to go to stop? Oh. Okay, you ready?
Can you see the cuts on the top of my head?
No, but your skin is dry. It's like peeling.
Yeah, I know. I don't want peely head. Can you do something about my peely head? It's not recording, is it? Is it? don't put peely head outtakes in. I'll kill you. You with your, you know, you look like Bo Selector.
What's Bo Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Obviously today I'm joined with my mum and my dad, the infamous Emma and Howard. Honestly, whenever I put out requests for videos, I'm always infiltrated with comments saying that you want my parents back on the channel, so we're doing exactly that today. Today, mum and dad are going to be reacting to my Pretty Little Thing birthday dresses. So I've picked a ton of dresses for my birthday. What?
They're going to be way short, I know it already.
So I thought it would be fun if I got my parents on the channel to react to them. Some of them I think you'll really like, some of them maybe not so much. So without further ado, let's get started. Woo! Woo! And open.
Ooh, turn around.
Gape's a little bit here, so I maybe need to get a small size.
You need the. I could do it. Just pop
taken
the
up a bit.
straps up.
I think
Yeah.
it's so pretty, so
Good.
glam.
It is. It's very nice.
Would be in like a perfect occasion dress, like a New Year's dress,
Yeah.
birthday dress.
If I just pop those up.
They do need
there.
pulling up a bit.
But it's only because you're not very tall.
Really hairy chest.
Say
But
that.
so pretty.
Yeah, very
I
nice.
feel like the
very
design's
glam.
really flattering as well, with the front twist
Yeah,
bit
it's
on your
lovely.
waist. You don't like this bit, do you?
Okay, it needs
No,
to
just-
be down to there.
What?
It should come down to there. So it's already,
Yes.
you know, it's going to be pants out in 15 minutes.
Yeah, I like it.
I think with a tan as well.
I think
Yeah,
I'm
I'm
not too sure about that.
Why?
I don't know, it's a bit Tutankhamun-y. And I
think
don't
it's
think
useful
that
with the
colour headband goes with it either. It's too gold. It's nice, but I think it's the wrong colour gold.
You're gonna get it trapped between your knees when you walk.
Well, if you run out of loo paper on a night out,
Oh!
it'd be handy. So what I was thinking.
Absolutely outrageous. You married him.
Long time
Okay,
ago.
so what would we rate it out of 10?
I just think, especially at the bum zone, it's too high up.
It's not see-through at all, is it?
No.
I've got
Oh,
red
thank
underwear
God.
on underneath. Can't see it at all.
It's nicely made. It's good material and everything. I just think another 6 inches on the length.
Shoulders just taken up slightly. I'd give it an 8.
An 8?
Mm.
Oh, okay.
On someone 4 foot tall, an 8.
Why 4 foot?
Because it would come down
Yeah,
by
but
their
you
knees.
can make it go down a bit lower.
Yeah, that's better.
But I think it's more flattering when it's like...
Yeah, but it's thing is, it's gonna go up, isn't it?
No,
So,
it's
I
not
mean, it's
too
very
tight.
nice. I don't want to like. I'm not having a go at the dress, but it's not.
Come and go at me in it.
It's not
No,
dad
it's
friendly.
not dad friendly.
It's not dad friendly. What, you wouldn't
So
wear it?
I'd say, I'd probably,
You can wear it down to Brad's Backers tonight.
I
Christmas
could-
special.
yeah, I could probably carry it off actually.
Okay,
but
so what would you rate it then?
I'd say 7.5.
7.5.
That's
Okay, that's quite
That's
good.
good.
Yeah, just it's a bit ridey uppy.
Okay.
Yeah.
And open.
Oh, I like that a
fun,
lot.
isn't it?
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10.
10 out
That's
of 10.
better.
What do you
Straight
think?
away.
Yeah, that's where
Yeah.
yeah.
Honestly,
Love
you
it.
could even wear the gold with it.
That would work.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Lovely.
It's the right
Little-
colour
I
gold.
love everything about it.
It's so classic, isn't
Turn
it?
around.
Yeah. Very, very nice. Really nice.
Much better. I mean, that's really party, isn't
I
it?
just want to say too,
It's amazing.
in PLT dresses I usually size down. So usually I'd order a size 8, but I order a 6 in all these dresses because I just feel like they fit better.
Beautiful.
It's nice,
Really
isn't
well
it?
made.
It's cute and it's got like a, I kind of like the way it's got like a nude.
Ten.
It makes it pop a bit more. Oh, I feel like this is a bit of an instant winner. What would you rate it out of 10?
10.
10?
11, actually.
Ooh, 11.
Yeah.
What would you rate it?
9.5.
9.5?
Yeah.
Ooh, hard to
Be a
please.
10 if it was down there.
He
Nothing.
just looked
I
at
didn't
me.
see nothing. I
You
didn't see
just
nothing.
looked at me.
Yeah, very flattering.
It's really stretchy. You don't like it.
No, this bit's confusing me a little bit.
Because you can cowl it anyway.
Yes, it needs to go that way.
No, I always cowl it in like that.
Yeah, I think
it's like
cowl's supposed to be on the outside,
Okay.
historically. Put them out.
It's fun because it's black, but then it's got...
Yeah, it needs the strap shortly a tiny little bit again.
The straps would need to be up here, but I think it's fun because it's black, but it's got sparkle on it.
Mm.
And you wouldn't really need to accessorise with it because it's kind of like
Yeah, it's very
jewellery
glam.
in itself. What do you think?
I should have a T-shirt saying all dresses should be longer. Then
I thought you
then
could
I wouldn't
say
have to say anything.
you should have a T-shirt underneath it.
A vest.
And that, and that. I mean, I like it. I like it. I don't like it as much as the second one. I thought that was really.
This was really cheap,
But that-
like really, really affordable.
Well, how much?
Between £10 to £15.
Well, bloody
Wow.
hell.
So
Well, 10 to
it's
15
really good.
pounds. You can't go wrong,
Well,
can
yeah. I
you?
mean, you could wear 3 in a night. Yeah.
Yeah, just
Yeah.
outfit change.
You could. The first one, you could boogie off when you get sweaty. Lift that thing up. Get it off into the loo. Put the other one on.
Into the loo.
You know.
Okay, so what would you rate this one?
I'd give it a 7.
7.5.
Unfortunately, we have our first contender. Oops, daisy, hold on. I would order a size up in this, so I would get an 8.
Oh,
But
would you?
open your eyes. It
Okay.
will not do. I did it up, but I was like
It won't do it up.
lurging out of it.
Very pretty. I
It's
think
from the
really
Little
nice.
Mix collection.
Yeah, it's really beautiful. That fabric is
Amazing.
incredible.
It is, isn't it?
And the size up. Wow.
It would be so nice.
Yeah, beautiful, really lovely,
it's
really,
really
really thick fabric, isn't it? I love it. I'd give that an 11 again.
Yeah, if it was the right size, I'm guessing that would be a bit longer if it was a bigger
Yeah.
size as well. Amazing material.
It looks really
How much is something like
expensive.
that then?
This is the prices vary so much. They've got some stuff on the website. It's like over £100. I
Mm-hmm.
think this would maybe be around 50.
Okay,
amazing.
it's an
Still very
amazing
reasonable.
value.
Very
Yeah.
good value, yeah.
Yeah, it's got like a sort of thick interface.
Yeah.
On it. It's beautiful.
Go on A-level textiles. Okay, what would you rate it?
Me?
Yeah.
9. It's like one of those things you see in horror movies where they have to open up a puzzle.
What?
You ever seen Hellraiser?
No.
Okay.
Okay, next dress.
I don't have to put that bit in.
Okay, and open. I think this is so cool.
Very nice.
Do you like it?
I do.
I'm so impressed. They have this in some other colours as well. What?
You've got
Oh
boobs
my
on your
god,
tummy.
she just got a boob.
That's really funny. But
Yeah,
anyway.
but they're sort of
there's
artistic.
And more boobs.
Small nipple.
Yeah, but it's
Ah!
gentle.
Turn around, turn around, turn around, turn around.
You can't laugh.
This is the woman who studied fine art.
I know, but you've got, is that like Venus of Urbino, I think, across your bottom? But I really like it.
I
do
like the
really
fact
like
they've
it.
used like classical painting in the fabric.
Yeah.
But turn around again. You wear that all night long.
You're going to have people
You're
go
gonna have
like
to go,
that.
yeah.
But it is lovely. I do like it.
It's
got beautiful colours, lovely fabric. I love this net
Yeah,
over the
I'm
sort
loving
of-
this at the moment. The sort of
Because
sheer.
that's different. Oh no, it's the same at the back as well. But yeah, really gorgeous. But you
And
will.
I love the colours in it. They do it in a leopard as well, like a leopard
Yeah.
print.
I like
They
that.
do like a blue sort of paisley one, but I just thought this was so
I can
different.
just imagine all the blokes out are just going to go, oh, nice
nice.
TITs.
TITs.
You know, and I don't want to do the dress down because it's very inventive and, you know.
But what would you rate it?
Have all of them got the lady across the
Anna, what do you
bottom?
think of this?
Yeah, I think it's fine.
Do you like it? You don't like it, do you?
No, it's nice. Where's it from?
Guilty?
Oh yeah, it's cool. What painting is it?
I don't know.
I think it might be a Titian.
What's the first 3 letters of that name? Tid.
Okay, so what would you rate out of 10?
I love it. A 9.
With that painting and the placement of the figure on the back can only go to 7.
Okay,
But
Anna?
if it was different,
Anna,
I'd
what
go
would Anna
higher.
give it? Yeah, woo! Get your hype
No,
man.
I think definitely a 9. And I think if that was kind of like haute couture, you'd get away with it. That placement. It's only because she's thinking of a night out in Cheltenham that you think it's slightly dodgy. If you sort of took that to haute couture level in London or Paris, yeah, exactly. Everybody think it would be very brave,
Okay, right, let's get on to
but you would get your
the
bum
next
slapped
dress.
a lot.
No, I would not. I think you guys are actually going to love this one. It's really classy. Okay.
No, get it, no. No, come on, man.
No,
No,
just
no. Oh, I can't even look. Oh.
Good man.
No. See,
Even
I
think
feel
this
bad
is-
because, you know, this company is asking you to review and they obviously like their product, but I am not looking at that again. I'm not looking at it again.
I think this is so cool.
I think you look naked.
I think this is so cool. I would rate it a 10 out of 10. I don't think I dare ask either of you what you
What?
rate it.
No way.
It's
That's
very
the sort of
actually,
thing
it's
that-
quite bummy because like
Yeah, that's not
one
right.
wrong move.
It's bummy, cleavagey boob.
Oh.
Ah! I live in a house of girls. Okay, I think it's time for the next
Yeah,
dress.
it-
Okay, so this is for more of like a casual night out. You could even wear this top daytime. It's only the top. Okay,
Just
over.
the top.
Yeah.
Very pretty. Very
Isn't
Japanese.
it?
Yeah.
Loving my oriental stuff
Yeah.
at the moment.
I
I've
love
just
it.
got a little nude crop top on underneath.
Oh, okay. That's yours then, is it? So
Yeah.
that's just net.
Yeah, so I picked up this white. I thought it would be oversized enough to wear as a blazer dress, but obviously it's way too small. And then this cute little bag, which I thought would be so nice for nights out. So this was originally supposed to be a blazer dress, but I guess it's just a blazer, but I really like it.
What would you
I just
wear?
prefer, I really like that. I'm not sure about the jacket.
Yeah, where would I wear this?
No, what would you wear under it?
I wear under what?
The top.
Well,
got
I've
a
got a
little
nude
vest top.
vest on
Yeah.
underneath.
You'd wear that.
Yeah, I really like the blazer. I think it's really cool, really fun. I love these bags. Everyone knows I love shoulder bags. So
Very
what
nice.
would you rate the top
Top 11.
jacket?
Just because the jacket's not kind of something that I like. There's nothing wrong with it, but it's just not something that I would ever go for. I'd give it a...
What's your rate the top?
If you could tuck it in, give it a 10. I like the print and everything. Pseudo Japanese woodblock kind of printy
Yeah.
looking.
So what would you rate it?
8.
Okay, an 8. Oh,
Yeah.
that's good. What about the jacket?
It's quite noisy.
Yeah, it is, isn't it?
Yeah.
I realised
I
that.
don't know if that would settle down. 7.
Okay, oh, a 7. Okay, everyone, so that is the end. Stop looking so glaring.
I'm not glaring. I love you.
You're like... So everyone, that is the end of today's video. I really hope you all enjoyed it. Once again, thank you so much to Pretty Little Thing for working with me on this video. You guys know I love them and I know that you guys love these videos. I'll leave all the clothes linked in the description box down below. I ordered every single thing in a 6 apart from the blazer. I think that was a 10, but I probably order a couple sizes up to get that as a blazer dress. I love you guys all so much. Thank you all so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you did enjoy the video and I'll see you all very soon. Bye.